Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the podcast. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And now for something completely different, but very exciting. Going to revisit one of my old haunts because it was interesting before, but now is amazingly interesting. And we're talking Fetch again because Fetch is likely coming to the Cosmos IBC and will be bringing with it all of the ease of use and interoperability, that is, Osmosis. I don't have to talk up Fetch. I don't, man. Look, this is an excellent, cutting-edge, decentralized AI platform doing some really next-level things in the space. I don't want to blow up the video singing the praises of Fetch. You can find it everywhere. I just want to show how it works for those folks who are not familiar with it, and show Osmosis for the Fetch folks not familiar with it. Up until recently, Fetch couldn't have done this. Couldn't. It was Ethereum, and it came with all of the visibility one can get from Coinbase, as well as all of the gas fees associated with Ethereum, meaning for the average investor, they bought it and held it on Coinbase because it was too damn expensive to move it anywhere. Ethereum jail is a thing, and the amount of tokens that are stuck in MetaMask wallets all over the crypto universe, it's pretty astounding. Effectively, if you have less than $100 of a single token in your MetaMask wallet, that's where it lives now, and it isn't going anywhere else. It's too expensive to move it. We like to highlight this on our live streams, and neither Emery or myself have been able to move any due to gas fees being at or near $100 every time we try. That's not saying that we can't buy more Ethereum and do it. We can. But why would I spend $112 in Ethereum to move $50 worth of district? You won't. It lives there now. And you know what? It shall be missed. Moment of silence for my district. That's never going anywhere. But FET didn't want to be involved with this. It went mainnet, and it lives in the DeFi now. So how difficult is it going to be to get native FET tokens moved from the Fetch wallet to the Kepler wallet and get them moving on Osmosis? You know what? Let's take a look. I even have a third screen. Now, what we're looking at right here, let's go ahead and go into, you're probably familiar with this one right here, Fetch.AI network wallet. As you can see, it is basically, for intents and purposes, it's Kepler. All right, it is Kepler. We're also looking right here at the Cosmos station. This is the Cosmos validator. Now, these are all the different chains that are using the Cosmos SDK. Very easy to use. It's not hard. You do need a Cosmos Station wallet, but you know what? It's not hard. They have made it easier. So I want to get what's left of my little native Fetch here. I want to get that from here, and I want to put it over in my active Kepler wallet. So let's go ahead and do that. So first we need to know where is it going to go. So we're going to Kepler, and if you look down, these are all the different tokens that you can have fun with over here. There's a lot more, but I haven't done the beta on all of these. So beta support right now is, you can see Fetch Hub on there, right there. So let's go to Fetch Hub. I want to move them from the Fetch.AI mainnet. I want to move them over to this wallet, so it's just easier for me. I want to keep everything in one place. I know I'm a decentralization kind of fan, and I want to centralize all my tokens just for easy use, guys. So we're going to copy the address. We're going to go back to the Fetch.AI mainnet. I got a few tokens left in there, as you can see, and we're going to send to me, and we're going to send, let's send 4 of them, and we are going to pay the average of 2 femto. Now, I haven't done the math on this, and I don't know what a femto is, but I'm sure that it is just, it's dust, because when you're in the DeFi, gas fees are not a thing. So we'll pay the average fee. We're going to send it. We're going to approve it, and we're going to wait. So you can see that I got 5.16, and shortly I'm going to have 1 dot something or other, 1.16, and a tiny little amount down here, which is just cents. So it's on its way. We're going to go back to Kepler, and you can see that those 4 FET left there are now showing up over here on the FET Hub wallet. Now, The neat thing about this and the way that it works is that once comes up, and it seems, as we can see right here, that the voting is most likely going to go our way. So this is off from their Reddit. These are the folks that are tracking this right now. And you can see that 99.99% have voted yes so far. That is to enable Fetch on the IBC. This is it. Need a 40% quorum and have currently a 44% turnout. Of the people that have turned out, 99.99% have voted yes. So this is going to happen, guys. Voting ends in 2 weeks, but this is going to happen. So you might as well start getting ready for it now. Now, once your tokens are over on the on your Kepler wallet, then from there it's easy enough to get to Osmosis. So app.osmosis.zone, and you click assets, and FAT is going to be showing up right down here under dig. That's probably going to be one of the next ones that are going to be added in. Now, the reason that I like Osmosis is interoperability, swapping, staking, pools, everything. It's all here at a single point. If you want to stake your FET now, you can come over here. You can go to Block Explorer, and this is the Fetch.AI. This is Block Explorer. So if you want to, you can connect your wallet, and this is your Kepler wallet. That's one that we just showed you right there. If we come over here and we go to Fetch Hub, you can see the last 4 TDC, and you come over here, and oh, look, there it is. So if you want to do it, it's nice and easy. Come over to here, pick a validator, doesn't matter which one. The commission is how much they're going to take of your staking rewards. But you pick it, you hit stake. You see that I have 104 available that I can stake. And if you come over here to Kepler, you see that I do have, in fact, have 104 available. So the wallets talk. Cosmos SDK, man, it's wonderful. Pick how much you want to stake and go ahead and fire it in there. Now, this is the way it is because it's set up there on beta support. And it hasn't been fully, this is how it is for a lot of the beta support tokens. They haven't been fully integrated into Osmos yet. If you want to see how it is with a normal token or something that has been fully something that has been fully integrated, let's do secret. So you can see right here that I have 1.12 secret. I love the staking rewards. I love the fact that I'm getting 24% per year just by by staking them. I love these kind of transactions. So if I want to do it in this case, then we come over to our secret wallet. As you can see, we hit stake. It's going to open it up to a browser extension. We come over here. We pick whichever one that we want to do. We manage it. I'm not going to give them 10%, but we would hit delegate, and we'd punch that in. How much do we want to put in there? I have 1.124, so I could stake 1. This is the how easy it is when they're actually fully integrated. So a lot of the beta tokens, they're still not. I have a lot of Bitsong that I have. Great product, by the way. Love Bitsong. I have a lot of Bitsong, Bitcana, so forth that I haven't rolled into there yet. It's all staked. But for the beta tokens that haven't been fully integrated yet, you're still going to have to come over here. For the rest of them that have been fully integrated with Osmosis, one click, one button, boom, you're staked. Now, the great thing about Osmosis is that if you are not loving your fetch right now and you want to move your fetch, this is how difficult it is to swap something. So let's use star name, and we'll swap it for whatever you want. So we're going to come over to here. We're going to go to star name if I can find it. This is going to get interesting once they add like 300 more tokens, because you know what? We're all stuck with them now, and you have to scroll through this every time. I think that's what it is. Nope, that's stars. I don't want stars. I want star name. Give me just a second, guys. We'll get there. And somebody else saw it, and I'm sure they're laughing at me on the video right now. This is what sucks about doing this is a single take, because I have to find it, and I wasn't ready. So let me tell you what. Let me find anything I got some money on. There you go. We're going to take some Crow, and we're going to swap Crow for Osmo. But let's pretend we wanted to swap it for FET. So if we did, then we'd be coming down here. We'd be finding FET, and we'd be on our way. So we're going to take half of our Crow, which is 11 cents. We're going to swap it for Osmo. Now, anything Ethereum based, we couldn't do this. We simply could not. The fees are too much. So we're over here, though, on Osmosis now, and we're going to swap 11 cents worth of Crow for 0.013 just ash dust of Osmo. And we're going to do this because the fee for us to swap this is 0. So we're going to take it, we're going to approve it, and this transaction is going to happen right now. When Fetch is over here, you're going to be able to do the same thing with Fetch. You can swap your Fetch for whatever token you want. You can swap whatever token you want for Fetch. Now, I, again, absolutely adore this product. I love Fetch. I love everything about it. I think they're going to blow it up. All right. Every time that they make a new discovery or they figure out something else, they pile onto that. So the things that they're doing, they're just incredible. And we'll do another Fetch video just so that we can spend some time. But wanted to show the Fetch people who are, I have a cat. I don't know if you see that there is a cat here. Just wanted to show the Fetch people who might not be familiar with Osmosis. This is Osmosis, man, and this is exactly how easy it works. So it's an exciting time. The vote should be closed in about 2 weeks. And I don't see how this doesn't happen. And when it does, you're already here and you're already you're set up for it. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little walk through Osmosis for the Fetch people who are not familiar with it. For the Osmosis people who are not familiar with Fetch, get familiar with Fetch. That's all I'm saying. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or observations, our emails are right here. We're always happy to answer them. And that's it, guys. So until next time, please stay safe and please be smart with your money. Cheers.